2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, all under 500 square foot. That is this Hawk by Chariot. As always, one take, no edits. Let's check out this layout. We're going to start with this dollhouse so you can see everything. I love this dollhouse view because you can really see everything, and like you can imagine your furniture, how you would set up this house, what you would change about it. So I like starting with this dollhouse view because it really shows you everything. It's like the closer you can get to like seeing through the walls and seeing the layout and everything. So we have that bathroom here. We have this primary over here. This is the second bedroom or guest or office, whatever you want to do. And let's get over here to the overhead. Alright guys, once again my name is Jesus and we are going to be looking at the best-selling houses in 2026. We are still in the single digits of percentage of subscribers. Come on guys, we are gonna crush that. Let's get that to double digits subscribers. If you find this valuable, go ahead and give me a subscribe and a like. But let's check this layout. So you have the primary on this side. You have the bathroom here with the shower tub combo. You have the toilet. You have the sink on this side. Laundry area. Laundry area, I believe it's right here. Then you have the kitchen area, and this is how they fit 2 bedrooms in under 500 square foot. It's because what they did is they took that hallway area and they morphed it with the kitchen. You have a dedicated eating space here. You have the living room layout, and then that second bedroom with that half bath. 1.5 bathrooms in under 500 square foot. That's crazy. Alright, so let's start here at the front door. And let's see this entire thing right here. Okay, so this is that double door. That double door is what you walk into. You walk into this double door layout. And you have the eating area here. You have the kitchen area over here. You have the couch area here. And you have the office area here. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll start with this office area. So this office area here, and again, we are talking tiny house. So they're using this as an office area. You could definitely fit a bed in here. Has a dedicated closet space. A couple pull-out drawers here. Tons of windows, and then here is your little half bath. Great for when you have guests over, or if someone is living in this room, they have their own dedicated bathroom or half bath. You head over this way into the common space. You have the living room area. That's what divides the kitchen here and the kitchen eating area. And I think I was wrong earlier. I believe this might be your washer dryer area. You have some countertop space over here, and then your kitchen here is morphed into your hallway. Because if you want to fit 2 bedrooms, you're going to need that extra space. You're going to take up a lot of that, what used to be the traditional kitchen space. You have the overhead microwave, that double sink, overhead cabinet space. You have, this is the side door, so you can have separate entrances. So let's say if each person has a room. You have, so it's not a shower tub, it's just a shower, but it is a good sized shower. And you have that single sink with the toilet area here. Alright, and then you have the primary on this side over here. You have the primary, some counter space, built-in furniture over here, overhead space, and that dedicated closet here. Oh, close the door on me. Let's go the other way. Yep, see here's that open closet with, they did the double shelving to give you that efficiency, a bit more clothes in here. And I mean, just you fit so much into this. I mean, 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, and under 500 square feet. Like you were starting to live tiny. I mean, we're starting to transition to like RV territory. But nope, it's a tiny manufactured house, under 500 square foot. And because this one is a 2-bed, as we start to talk numbers here, this one is actually a dedicated 2-bed. It is 1.5 bath, so you have that extra plumbing. So this one actually is a little bit higher starting. It's starting out in the $69,000 range. $69,000. And then delivered and set, you can get as high as $89,000, even $99,000, approaching $100,000 when it comes to delivered and set. Remember, you got to add on another $20,000 to $30,000 depending on how far it's going, what's the underpin, what kind of footers you're putting in. But this one is just for the house. We're looking at $69,000 delivered and set. We're probably looking at $79,000, $89,000 depending on where it's going. Once again, this is the Hawk. Give me a like if you found this content valuable. I'll see you in the next one, and this kind of wraps up our tiny house week. You guys really love those tiny houses, so I brought you a few more. Thanks. Bye.